Segment of CoastLife is sponsored by Heather's Homeworks.
Well, if you didn't know, it's Valentine's Day.
That's right.
I hope you're feeling in love today, and maybe you're in love with where you work. I also hope that's true for you. If it's maybe not, or if you're just looking for something that's going to bring you more fulfillment, we have an idea for you. That's why our friends Heather and Lexi with Heather's Homeworks are back on the couch today. Welcome back, ladies.
Hi, how are you?
Thanks for being here. Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you, you too.
Of course, thanks. So something I love about Heather's Homeworks is you guys always just seem to love what you do and the people that you work with. So I would just like to talk about the workplace at Heather's Homeworks. What's it like, and some of your favorite things about it?
Well, ever since I started the company, I always wanted to have people come to work for me and have them leave a little bit better off than they came. You know, do some enrichment things, life skills, things like that. So over the course of 20 years, we have started doing small classes with our employees.
Fun.
It's all voluntary, but we offer it to anybody who wants to come. Some of the things that we've done recently have been vision boards. You know,
fun.
it's still kind of the beginning of the year of 2024, and we've been doing some goal setting.
Nice.
So we sat down and set some goals out and did a little visual for that. And other things that we've done have been paint nights.
Fun.
We actually are having people come in and talk about first-time home buying, because that's something, you know, that you may not know a lot about.
I think a lot of bosses need to think about that. You know, hopefully it's a place you're staying for a long time when you get a new job. So let's talk about how you're going to pay for your new house and how you're going to retire, all of that good stuff. And something I love too, when we see pictures of Heather's Homeworks, things you're doing outside of work, there's kids involved and families are involved too. Is that something that's really special to you all?
So we try to have our employees' families join us as much as possible because they are important to them and therefore they're important to us. It helps us get to know them a little better and their reason why. So we like to have them join us as much as possible.
That's awesome.
Yes, and there's some events that you guys do outside of work that involve those kids and families.
Yes, absolutely. So we've done, you know, Christmas parades. We've taken them to Lefty's, Alley and Eats, and so we do a lot of family-friendly
Turkey trots.
things. Yeah, turkey trots.
Turkey trots are very popular.
Yes.
Kids get out there and
The trunk or treat we did recently this past year, and that was a ton of fun. They helped us hand out candy to community members. So
they
yeah,
love that.
Awesome. Are you guys looking for new team members?
Always.
To help join in on all that fun? That sounds good to you?
Always.
Good.
We need some good, energetic, upbeat people to join our team. We're always hiring. We're located in Dagsboro. We service the whole lower Sussex County area. So if you live in that area or adjacent to that area, check out our application online at heathershomeworks.com. One of the other things I think we wanted to highlight today was the Cleaning for a Reason program.
Yes, and I think this affects you guys, but it'll resonate with a lot of people in our community. Yeah, tell us about that.
Definitely. So I'm a transplant, like many of our viewers are. I came from Northern Virginia when my parents retired to Bethany Beach, primarily because my father was going through cancer treatment. And once I was in the cleaning business for a few years, I found a company called Cleaning for a Reason, which is a nonprofit. It's nationwide. And they do free cleaning for people while they're going through cancer treatment.
That's awesome.
Taking some of the burden off of people's shoulders. You know, it's something that you may be going through treatment and you're like, I don't want to have company because my house is dirty, but I don't have the energy to clean it. And you know, you want to be able to have people coming in and out and visiting. So this is a service that our cleaners enjoy giving back. It's a way for them to volunteer, and we pay them to volunteer in the community.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I think it gives them kind of a sense of purpose to, you know, help others, things that are outside of themselves, and the, you know, customers that we serve are so appreciative. So it feels really good to be able to give back to them.
I'm sure.
It's the little things that you don't really think of when someone's going through something like that, like a clean house and making sure, because sometimes parents can feel guilt if they're not able to keep up with it.
Yeah, and it just
like
helps
that.
alleviate, I mean, not only the patient, but a caretaker for a patient. I mean, there's so much that
So many more other important things to focus on besides cleaning your house.
Definitely.
So let us do that for you so that you can focus
Yes.
on your health and recovery.
Amazing.
You guys are the best. Hey, if someone loves all of this, which I know a lot of people do, they want to work for you, what should they do? Where can they get in contact with you?
They can fill out an application online. It's on our website, heathershomeworks.com, or I'm in the office, and they can certainly give me a call. And I'm happy to speak with them.
Perfect. All right. Well, thank you guys so much. I know a lot of people love Heather's Homework. So again, happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you. You
love
too.
when you guys come. And for you guys, we have more love to talk about and celebrate when we come back.